Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts suggestions. First of all, let's launch the YouTube app. Then you probably will have on the feed screen a bunch of recommendations from Shorts like all these. Very important, I do not follow any of these accounts, so these are simply recommendations based on YouTube algorithm. So how we can go about it? First of all, you want to click on the three dots on the top right corner of each of the shorts that you want to dismiss. For example, I click on it and you will see you have the option that you have to click not interested. That's the light version of the approach. But for example, if you have videos that are violent, something that is offensive to you, probably the whole account is something that you're not going to enjoy interacting or encountering in the future. So how we can raise the bar and make it more sure that you're not going to get recommend more videos like this? Well, again, you got to click on the three dots, for example, and then you can click report, right? If you found the content violent, hateful, harmful, spam or misleading, or all these salesy courses, drop shipping stuff, you can simply click spam or misleading or whatever is the case for you, and for sure you're not going to be able to see this content. You're going to be prevented from seeing it. I have done this on other YouTube accounts, and now when I actually open my YouTube account, I don't see any short suggestions. Again, this is very important. You don't want to go all over the place and disable the whole short suggestions, because you might actually miss some good content. But it's important to go through the whole feed and see did I actually enjoy or have I actually seen or watched videos like this. If not, well, most likely I'm not going to be interested watching them again, right? But if there is something that you was actually watching, following up, very interested, probably subscribe to the channel. Sometimes YouTube actually gives you content from the channels that you subscribe to. I probably want to keep the suggestions on these particular channels. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.